In the future, human-like robots are going to become a normal thing in our everyday life. Robots will do 70% of our work, which will make our life easy so that we can focus on other things in life. Every country nowadays has started to develop ultra-realistic robots for different purposes. India is not much behind in this. Are you interested in robots? How will they work? Today in this video, we are going to discuss these female robots which India has produced in recent times. If you want to know more about these female robots, then stay with us till the end of the video. Hey everyone, welcome to AI Future Live, a perfect channel for everything about the innovation in AI. Hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update. And with that being said, let's begin with our topic for the day. The female robots made by India. In 2014, the first human robot that India developed was named Manav, which was a 3D printed humanoid robot, but it is a male human robot. Female bots are built with the intention of more positive human interactions. Gender-neutral voices could be a way that moves away from the gendering of AI technology and stops the perpetuation of sexism. India has produced some female robots like Rashmi and Shalu, but here comes a question. Have you noticed that all of the programs are meant to be female or with women's voices and names? There is a reason behind that, because they don't consider their feelings for the male bots. Experts believe that coding AI and intelligent machines as females can reinforce their own sexism and misogyny, which includes human-to-female robots interactions, and that of course makes troubling implications for the future. But that's not everything. The developers are also dehumanizing these programs and machines in many ways. It is no coincidence that the word robot comes from the Czech word for slave. But treating the female AI and robots as lesser beings and then potentially becoming more inclined to do the same as human women isn't the only issue which is faced by the developers right now. With advancements in AI, the female robots are capable of learning, but there is also a serious worry about teaching these programs to be dehumanizing towards women. Now, coming to our main topic, Rashmi, a humanoid female robot, which was developed by Ranjit Srivastav, a programmer from Ranchi, India. They started the development of this robot in 2016, and after 2 years from the start of its development, this robot was launched on 1st August 2018. He started to develop the robot as a hobby when his son challenged him after seeing a movie about robots. At first, Ranjit worked alone, fully without any technical team or research lab. Rashmi appeared in India's Got Talent in Season 8. This robot appeared on Red FM on December 3rd, 2018. The robot hosted an Ask Rashmi segment, where it replied to the listeners' queries on radio. Robot Rashmi also hosted a show with DJ Raunak in the morning from 10 AM to 11 AM, and in the show Dilli Ke Kadak Londe with RJ Kisna and RJ Ashish in the evening from 5 to 6 PM. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, approached the female robot's developer to inquire about using these robots in unmanned missions in preparation for India's first manned mission in space, which is called Gangayaan, in 2022. Two ISRO scientists met Srivastav to determine that the existing robot could be upgraded within the certain simulated features resembling human physiology. But after that, ISRO developed their own Vyamitra robot for this purpose. Rashmi was also invited to IIT, Delhi, on December 2018. Later, Rashmi toured in many engineering colleges as the guest of honor or chief guest, including Government Engineering College in Amravati, College of Engineering in Pune, Veermata Jijabai Technological Institute, Mumbai, IIITDM, Kanchipuram, and Don Bosco College of Engineering, Mumbai. The robot can deliver lip-synced speech. It also makes facial expressions, as well as moving its neck in 6 axes. Rashmi can display 83 facial expressions, also capable of speaking in 4 languages, namely English, Hindi, Marathi, and Bhojpuri. Rashmi works on 4 layers that includes speech recognition, APIs, and AI through which it can interpret conversational moods. It also has a camera built in the eyes with facial recognition, 3D mapping, and OCR. This robot has a functional hand with finger movement, but Rashmi does not have legs. Now that you have met Rashmi, it is time to bring out our focus of the next female humanoid robot that was made in India. Robot Shalu, which is developed by Dinesh Patel, who hails from a very small village, Rajmalpur, UP. He is a computer science teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya, IIT, Bombay. Being an Indian humanoid robot, Shalu can speak in 47 languages that includes 9 Indian languages and 38 foreign languages. Let's explore all of the smart functionalities about the robot Shalu that has made India proud in robotics. After several years of hard work and effort, they wanted to develop a humanoid robot from 100% discarded waste material, which includes plastic, wood, cardboard, aluminium parts, and many more. Dinesh's willingness came out successful with making this robot using this waste material. Shalu has overtaken Sophia Robot in terms of its skills and functionalities. Dinesh Patel made sure that common people from different parts of India, as well as international countries, can meet Shalu and they can also have a seamless conversation with her. This female humanoid robot is dedicated towards the nation's women empowerment mission, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. The computer science teacher showed the world that it is possible to build things with local materials, and this Indian humanoid robot can compete with all the capabilities of those robots, which are built with high-tech in resourceful laboratories around the world. Shalu is known worldwide as the first social and educational Indian humanoid that can speak 47 languages efficiently. These functionalities of the female humanoid robot are mentioned in the computer science syllabus for Class 6 in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. From India's Dream Mission, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Skill India Mission, and Digital India Mission, Mr. Dinesh took inspiration to make this robot. Robot Shalu can answer in any language which is in the trained dataset with the help of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. This robot can also identify people with the face recognition technology as well as remember these people after meeting them. She also possesses object recognition technology that helps Shalu identify different objects in any environment. In the education field, this Indian humanoid robot can give correct answers to all the different types of education questions from physics, chemistry, mathematics, English, geography, and many more subjects. She can start a casual conversation with people while solving different math problems. The hands of robot Shalu are flexible and she can move it around to show human behaviors and gestures such as a handshake, making fun, showing happiness, sadness, irritation, and other moods. People do not need weather forecast news from the media. This first female humanoid robot can give them the weather report for the next 10 days at different places, which is a very unique feature of this humanoid. If anyone wants to know about the daily horoscope, then Shalu will be there to predict on the basis of your date of birth, and it can also give addresses of multiple popular places while giving reviews on the movies and gadgets. Shalu has sufficient knowledge about the other international countries. There are just a few smart functionalities of this female robot. There are much more to explore in detail. Robot Shalu can be used as a teacher, quizmaster, receptionist, assistant to the elderly, and it can also be a learning companion for the students. This female humanoid robot can give useful tips and personal views on the increasing number of female harassment cases in the nation. Dinesh Patel has shown the world that we should promote local talents in disruptive technologies like artificial intelligence and robotics. He has created an ample scope to inspire the whole young generation to work on robots or on humanoid robots with local materials. Shalu is the perfect example of adopting globalization in this 21st century that everyone can think of. So now you know all about these female robots from India. What is your take on these female robots? Will you go out to see these robots in exhibitions and tours? Which other ultra-realistic robots should we make a video on? Let us know in the comment section below. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned to our channel to get more updates on technologies like Rashmi and Shalu. Press the bell icon to never miss another update from our channel. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, peace.